The best growing conditions for a lucky bamboo plant is to keep it warm and indoors, preferably in a well-lit room. While it's possible to plant lucky bamboo in soil outside, cold temperatures and harsh sunlight can harm the plant. So find your place accordingly. I am keeping it outside where it only receives morning light and it will be in shade whole day. A lucky bamboo plant is going to do best when you place it in well-drained potting soil that is also rich in nutrients. Make sure its container has good drainage. The drainage holes will ensure that the water is able to drain out as it should, and this protects the root of the plant. You can also place a layer of gravel at the bottom of the pot to help with drainage. Lucky bamboo prefers moist soil, but adding too much water to the soil can negatively impact the plant's growth. Water the soil when the top inch of the soil is dry. It's going to do well when it gets a lot of water, but that doesn't mean that you want the soil to become soggy. You should keep the soil moist without letting it really dry. You should try to be careful when watering your lucky bamboo plant. It's still possible to harm the plant by using chlorinated water. Best to try to use water that doesn't contain chemicals. These plants will be sensitive to the chlorine that can be found in your tap water, and that means that you should probably use a different water source. Best to use filtered water for your bamboo plant. Tap water can harm bamboo plants due to having chlorine and fluoride-like chemicals. Lucky bamboo requires moderate or indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight will scorch the leaves. Scorched leaves look like the edges of the leaves will have brown tinge to them, almost like they were burned by fire. If your leaves look a little scorched, move your bamboo to an area with less light. When you find these plants naturally, they are often positioned under rainforest canopies or something like that. Direct sunlight is a bit too harsh for the lucky bamboo plant because direct sun will scorch the leaves and the plant may die. You might notice the green of the lucky bamboo plant start to fade. That shows you that you should make some changes. You will want the temperature to be somewhere between 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit when caring for lucky bamboo plants. To help the growth of the plant, you can use liquid fertilizers. Using just a little drop of liquid fertilizer each month is going to be more than sufficient for most lucky bamboo plants. I will post some more videos about the care of lucky bamboo plants, so give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos.